In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode system on Windows 11. Dark mode in Windows 11 offers several key benefits, including reduced eye strain and improved readability in low-light environments, making it easier and more comfortable to use the device for extended periods. On your home page, head to your settings. You will then select on personalization. Navigate onto the option of themes. You can either select on the dark theme right or head into the contrast themes. On this page, select on the last option of night sky. The dark mode system will get enabled successfully. This enhances focus and productivity by minimizing screen glare and distractions while providing a sleek and modern aesthetic that many users find appealing. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.